This is just a little short video that may well save a divorce. Here's some little wall mounted storage boxes that my wife Deborah's bought. Deb started to assemble one, and then I come on the job, and I knew once I started to use a Stanley knife to cut bits of wood that something was wrong. So I've opened the box up. This is an unmolested one. There is instructions which are pretty good. If you look at the instructions, the most important thing is on these two panels here, there's a slot there. That slot on that one is deeper than the slot on that one. Why it's deeper has become apparent. So that goes to the back. It's actually got a 1 on. That goes to the back. That's the front. Two sides simply slip together like that. Push them down and they snap into place. They've got a elongated hole, so that goes in like that into place. Next, the back goes in. It's got a mark on, the sticker goes to the back. And the important thing is that that piece of hardboard is down below the level. When we tried it before, it wasn't down below the level. Right, so the last bit slots into there, slots into there, simply push down, and that's the job done, assembled just like that. No screaming, no shouting, but I still love all of it.